first rays of the morning sun painted the sky in hues of gold, I woke early, invigorated and ready for the next chapter of exploration. The destination on my horizon, Las Salinas. The promise of an aerial view of the salt pans, salt works, or salt ponds Bani's centuries-old salt production site beckoned me. While driving to find the perfect spot for my drone flight, a beautiful and colorful house caught my attention. I decided to stop, and to my delight, I was warmly greeted by Rafaelita. Seeking a place for an early morning coffee, I inquired, and to my surprise, she not only directed me, but opened her home to share a cup of the best Dominican coffee I had ever tasted.
¿Esas son su familia? Oye, muy hermoso, de verdad. Felicidades. ¿Puedo pasar a su cocina? Wow, mira, como mantiene usted las ollas bien limpiecitas, señora.
Estoy cosa limpia, sí. Llevo hasta hacer la mañana la limpieza. La limpieza, sí.
No, usted, a mí, así mismo mi mamá también. Cuando nosotros vimos que ella hacía esto.
Sí, tengo que tener aquí en casa de estas ollas.
To my greater astonishment, she extended her hospitality and invited me in for breakfast. The unexpected warmth of the encounter added a layer of kindness to the unfolding adventure. Seated in the heart of Rafaelita's vibrant home, I indulged in a delicious breakfast, a symphony of flavors that mirrored the richness of Dominican culture. The genuine warmth of our interaction transcended the simple act of sharing a meal, creating a connection that went beyond generations. Fueled by the delightful breakfast and newfound energy, I set out for the main purpose of my journey to capture the aerial beauty of Las Salinas. The salt farm, with over 500 years of history, unfolded before me as I navigated towards Las Salinas Point. The archaic structures of the salt works stood as testaments to centuries of industry, while the mountain of salt, resembling piles of snow beneath it, painted a surreal landscape. The aerial view provided a perspective that words could not capture, the intricacies of a salt-producing legacy etched into the very fabric of Bani. As the drone soared over Las Salinas, the juxtaposition of the salt pans against the backdrop of the Caribbean landscape created a visual tapestry of unparalleled beauty. It was a sight to behold, a testament to the resilience and timelessness of Bani's salt industry. Driven by a curiosity to understand the age-old process of salt production, I sought out the wisdom of local salt farmers.
Good morning. I feel very well, thanks to God. My name is Ramon Santana. I am originally from San Jose de Ocoa, but I have been living in Las Salinas for 20 years. I have built my life here with my wife, 5 children, and grandchildren. I mainly work in the carpentry area, covering everything related to wood and nails at the Izarnet Ordo Hermoso Company. At the moment, we are pumping rainwater out of the plots with a water pump. It has been raining heavily, and for now, we cannot produce salt. We need to drain the plots before starting the salt production process. Later, we brush the crystallizers, which are the plots conditioned for salt production.
¿Qué hace que se haga la sal?
The process of producing salt involves seawater, sun, and breeze. That's all that is required. These are the wonders of God. Everything pure and natural.
Agua, sol y brisa.
Sí, esa es la materia prima que se utiliza aquí, no más.
Okay. Muchísimas gracias por eso, caballero. Mira, qué tremendo placer, de verdad.
Gracias.
Hello, my name is Ramilio Rojas. I am from Bani, but currently living in Caldera. I am the winch operator. A network of interconnected ponds, linked by a main path with tracks, facilitates the transport of harvested salt to an area for bagging in preparation for sale. The solar salt production process involves shoveling salt into rafts on the ponds and moving it into wheelbarrows along the tracks. The salt ponds with varying hues showcase the most eye-catching areas, the mesmerizing pink ponds.
Muchísimas gracias por tomar el tiempo, caballero, de verdad. Mira,
Un placer.
se le agradece, de verdad.
Sí, no, estamos aquí para
de
eso.
corazón.
Estamos aquí para eso, para ayudarlos.
¡Wow!
began its descent, I felt compelled to revisit Las Salinas with Aunt Esther and Mom. Returning to the hotel, I swiftly picked them up, eager to showcase my discovery and share in the magic of exploring the salt mines at sunset. Heading back to Las Salinas, the colors of the setting sun transformed the landscape into a breathtaking panorama. The tranquil beauty of the salt mines took on a different allure as the day transitioned to evening. Together, we marveled at the changing hues and soaked in the serenity of the salt ponds under the warm glow of the setting sun. The memories of this extraordinary day became even more vivid as we circled back to Las Salinas, adding another layer to our collective journey through history, unexpected encounters, and the timeless landscapes of Bani.